are in the hammock house. The hammock house here at Tortuga Lodge and Gardens. And we're getting ready to start our day today. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning. It's just me for now. Kevin is still getting dialed up. But we are getting ready to head out to Tortuguero National Park. So we hope to see some awesome wildlife today, and we're gonna be happy to share it with you. But first, gotta get some coffee.
Fresh coffee.
Yay! So we've got some nice, yummy, fresh, watermelon juice. Oh, that's delicious.
I'm like still loving the French press.
Yeah, French press. Coffee, which was very nice. So, yeah. Safety first. We are ready to take our tour of Tortuguero National Park, and we're hoping we'll see some interesting wildlife today. But we're in this little tiny boat, and we jockeyed to get the first seats so that we could get good views. And hey, we're sweating, but we're here and we made it.
What is my name?
Miguel.
Miguel?
Yes.
Carlos? No.
Miguel.
Juan.
Juan.
One point for you. Yes, Juan. So today, my friends, we're going to explore the forest, Tortuguero National Park. So the skin you see hanging by the mandible, we call dula. And the males is the one have big dula. And they used to attract the females and to scare another male, the young ones, because hey, I'm big, I'm strong, don't come close to me, and to attract the females.
Big D.
Ranger station just before we officially go into Tortuguero National Park. It's lunchtime. Beer time. We are back from our boat tour of Tortuguero National Park. We had a lovely day this morning. The weather, we couldn't have asked for more perfect weather to be in the boat. It was hot, but it wasn't raining, so that was good for us. But baby, what did you think of the boat tour?
I thought it was nice. I mean, you know, we got to see quite a bit of, you know, things that we didn't get to see yesterday. I mean, we got to see, you're always going to see iguanas, but we also got to see some crocodiles. What's that other one that's in the crocodile family? The alligator family.
Yeah, I want to say cannabis, but I know that's not.
That's not it. Cannabis is something that we're not allowed to have in some states.
It's a Canadidas. Well, we're gonna say at the bottom what it was, but something like that.
Yes. We did see spider monkeys today. We saw howlers, monkey family. What monkey didn't we didn't see the white-faced monkey?
Yeah, we saw howlers, we saw spider monkeys, we saw sloth, we saw 2 sloths actually moving. So that was
three
something
sloths
good.
because one was a baby.
Yeah, that's right. But they were actually moving. So you guys know sloths are very just slow. But we actually saw sloths moving, so yay.
Excelente.
Yeah, and our tour guide, Juan from Tortuga Lodge, he was excellent. I mean, he had an eagle eye. He could spot the smallest little bird from way across the river, and he made sure that we saw as many animals as we could. So shout out to Juan.
This place is awesome.
It is. It's nice.
It definitely gets you in tune with nature. If this is what you want to do, this is one really good place to do it.
Yes.
All
Yay. We are headed into the town of Tortuga to do a little tour. See what this place has to offer. So we are in the thick of it. You know, we are in the middle of the town. This is where people live. Our guide, Juan, told us that, you know, this town is small, but it purely exists off of tourism. So it was hit very hard by COVID.
Bueno, está bien.
This is for my friend Nat. So, Nat, here's the local hair salon.
Now, you know, Tortuguero is very small, so no cars, right? So everything came to Tortuguero is by boat. Materials for construction, gas, food, whatever you imagine. So no cars. Our Catholic church on your right side, very small, so you know everything is small here.
Cemetery here. Our tour guide Juan told us that it's just a matter of money. So people who don't have money are buried above ground like this, like what you see here. And people who do have money are buried underground, which is pretty normal in the US, of course.
These buildings are our classrooms. That's the school.
Okay. Classrooms.
This one, that one, and another behind. The building on the left side is like a small restaurant. Because in Costa Rica, the idea is the education, the public education. Children have breakfast and lunch, and the group in the afternoon have lunch and fruit or snacks before they go back to the house.
Some much needed rest and relaxation. This is La Pura Vida.